Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change interface language on the MANGA Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, that's the home screen, and go to the lower bar, click to the profile icon next to the brush option, and new, go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the settings section go to the third section, the language settings, click to the second option, the change service interface language, and here you can find different language and just select one, for example the Deutsch, and you can use this language. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.